Can the Gore-Tex jacket be washed? Of course. Gore-Tex's waterproof breathable membrane has thousands of small holes in it, and it's these pores that allow the vapor inside the garment to escape to the outside. If you don't wash it for a long time, there will be a lot of dirt on the outer surface. The salt and sebum in sweat will stick to the inside of the clothes, blocking these micropores, reducing the breathability of the clothes. Therefore, it must be cleaned regularly. Many people worry that multiple washes will reduce the water resistance of Gore-Tex. We can talk about this. Almost all Gore-Tex jackets on the market will be sprayed with DWR anti-splash coating on the surface of the fabric. The main prevention of the anti-splashing coating is to avoid the surface fabric being wet by water when it rains lightly or for a short time, increasing the weight of the jacket. This coating will fall off after a few washes, but in fact, the real waterproof still relies on the Gore-Tex waterproof film inside the fabric, so you will find that even if the fabric is soaked, the inside of the clothes is not wet. In addition, Gore-Tex waterproof film is made of very durable and stable chemical materials. It maintains stable performance at both extremely low and high temperatures. Usually, when the brand or manufacturer gives washing suggestions, they will recommend you to use the gentle machine washing mode. But in fact, with the durability of the Gore-Tex material, even the fastest stirring and flipping in the washing machine can have a negligible impact on it. What this material actually fears most is strong friction or stretching. Stretching is rarely encountered in daily life. Friction is more common in rock climbing and skiing. But in this scenario, the surface of the fabric is made of wear-resistant and tear-resistant nylon. It has to go through this before it gets to the Gore-Tex film layer. It is extremely rare to encounter this situation. If you are really worried about the impact of washing, the only thing to worry about is the glue that presses the glue. After this is usually used for a few years, there will indeed be aging and degumming, but basically repaired, you can continue to use it, so you should wash it at ordinary times. Don't worry too much.